Welcome to MW Watermark. In this video, we'll be discussing pre-coating a filter press.
Pre-coating is a filtration pre-treatment in which filter cloths are coated with a porous layer of inert material. The inert material is comprised of complex-shaped, rigid particles which are applied to the filter cloth in a porous layer prior to filtration. Materials such as DE, perlite, and cellulose are used for this application. Pre-coating the filter press enhances particle retention, filtrate clarity to meet process requirements, and prolong filter cloth life by protecting against solids blinding and plugging. Before we can start feeding pre-coat material to the press, we need to close the press. So on the MW Watermark air hydraulics, we turn the air on, and we'll flip the press to close. The air pressure will close the follower and nest all the plates together towards the head of the press. Once the plates are nested, we can flip it to clamp. The hydraulic pump clamps the press up to working pressure and stalls out and holds the pressure. For pre-coat, we're going to put the press in an even fill situation, so we're going to close the two bottom discharge valves. We're going to open the feed valve to allow the pre-coat fluid to flow into the press. We're going to close the filtrate return and open the pre-coat circulation. And we're going to open the pre-coat supply from the pre-coat tank. So to start pre-coat, we turn on the AOD pump. The AOD pump is going to start pre-filling the filter press. Once the press is pre-filled, we'll add our filter aid to our pre-coat mix tank. To mix our pre-coat material, we're going to start our mixer. We're going to add our filter aid. The filter aid will start circulating through the press and build our pre-coat layer across the face of the cloth. All right, now that the press is fully pre-coated, we're going to switch over to slurry feed. We're going to open the filtrate return line. We're going to close the pre-coat return line. We're going to close the pre-coat supply line and open the slurry feed line. Now we're feeding slurry to the filter press. Oh, look at that cake.